Get ready to spell words in Riley's Spelling Headquarters. Let's start.
Spelling word number 1. Spell the word cat. It means a small animal with fur, whiskers, and a tail that is often kept as a pet. Here's an example sentence. The cat is sleeping on the mat. I repeat, spell the word cat. Your timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling word number 2. Spell the word hen. It means a female chicken. Here's an example sentence. The hen laid an egg. I repeat, spell the word hen. Your timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling word number 3. Spell the word lip. It means one of the two soft edges of the mouth. Here's an example sentence. She smiled with her lips closed. I repeat, spell the word lip. Your timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling word number 4. Spell the word pot. It means a deep container used for cooking or for holding plants. Here's an example sentence. Mom cooked soup in a pot. I repeat, spell the word pot. Your timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling word number 5. Spell the word mug. It means a large cup with a handle, usually used for hot drinks. Here's an example sentence. Dad drank coffee from a mug. I repeat, spell the word mug. Your timer starts now.